Hey, welcome to another edition of Mark Doesn't Know What He's Doing. Got the starter off of my John Deere 210 garden tractor, and after I got the starter off, I looked it over, and based on just what I know, what little knowledge I have anyway, I believe this is called your Bendix gear. It takes, when you start, it advances like this and engages to start the thing. I don't know how to explain it. This was stuck, and so I finally freed it up, and now it moves freely. I believe that was my problem. But I went ahead and said, I was going to just replace it anyway, but might as well just see what I can do. So I freed this up, took it apart. It's called your brushes. Anyway, clean that up a little bit. This is a magnet, so that way, yeah. And then these little springy things with these little magnet things, are those brushes too? I don't know. I just took it apart, cleaned it up. Thought I'd just try. Why not? Why not just break in? Try to learn what this is, and independent of actually trying to research anything, just kind of go old school with how I used to do things like as a teenager, and just dive in and see if it makes sense in any way. So I got it mostly cleaned up. I'm going to try to put it back together. I think the main thing was just freeing this up. That is freed up now, lubricated. I still should kind of clean the teeth here a little bit, but yeah, I think that's good to go. So provided I can get all this back together and then remember how to put the garden tractor back together, should be good to go. Just with my little pet project, aside from actual farming stuff. Just Mark in the barn trying to teach himself something. So we'll see. This part is really tricky. You got these little things here you got to put on top of these magnets and then put this down. This is hard. I'm sure there's a technique, but I don't know what that technique is. Okay, so I think I might have unlocked a secret to the fire swamp. Hold it in with something thin like this, and then once the shaft gets in there, pull it out really quick. That was close. That was very close. I feel like I'm not getting too discouraged.
I can't see though. I'm starting to.
Okay. Oh.
Did you get that on film?
That was close. Okay, it's the right idea. I just gotta be a little smarter.
Yep. You pushing down real hard?
Yeah. Aha! So I must say this was your idea to use those shims, and it was a good idea.
Everybody out. Come on. Come on. Out. Everybody out.
All right, let's take a look. We want the Bendix to go up, and that's not what it was doing before. Not bad. So put this back on, put everything together sometime. See if it works. Get back. Get back. Back. Get off of the car. Come on, dude. Good morning. It's gonna be a busy day today. Trying to beat the rain because lots of hay. Third cutting. It's down on the ground. Still more hay to cut. So yeah, my father-in-law is gonna be on the baler. I'm gonna be on the mower. Actually, I should say them in order. I'm gonna be on the mower, mowing the fields that need to get baled in the next few days. The stuff that's already been mowed, Chuva's I'm gonna give her a quick crash course on the rake. Chuva's gonna be doing the raking, then he'll be doing the baling. So, mowing, raking, baling, all today, all simultaneously. It's a big day, it's a big hay day. What? What is it? Good morning. How are you? Come on back in your stall. Come on. Ouch. You all done? You all done? It's time to go outside. Here, follow the bottle. Time to go outside. Go play, go play, go play. Here. Come on out. Come on. So the past few days we've been moving fast to get third cutting in. Chuva was raking, I've been doing mowing, raking, and baling. My father-in-law's been baling and raking. We've just been trading back and forth. And there's still some more to do, still a couple more fields that aren't quite ready yet, but we got it all done before the rain came. The rain came just a little bit ago, and so that has forced me inside and back to my starter project. So I got it in. It's tucked in right there. The bolts that support it are underneath, so I had to kind of really basically just use extension after extension after extension to kind of snug it up with my fingers, wiggle those in there, and then use extension. I got it in finally. Got the battery tray back in. This shroud right here, I took it off for no reason. I thought maybe it could get to something. It didn't. It was hard to take off, hard to put on. No reason for me to do that, but I did. Got the battery tray in, and I got the battery hooked up. So it's ready to see if I accomplished anything. Promise you, no tricks involved. I did not try this already, so I'm either going to be surprised or disappointed. We'll see. I just got it all buttoned down. I just need to bungee cord the battery, should this work. But otherwise, everything is connected, everything's hooked up, and we'll see. I mean, if it doesn't work, I'm not that disappointed because I'm not out anything. It was all just fiddling around with it. I'm out my time, but at the same time, I learned something, I guess. So, all right, let's see. Okay. All right. Choking, I guess. Neutral. I'm kind of nervous. This is, yeah. So before I took the starter out, it was just whining. The starter wasn't engaging. So I'm guessing it was the starter. That sounds reasonable. And then, okay, all right. I don't even want to know the answer to this. I just want to go inside and call it a night and just think, no, we're gonna do it. It's not doing anything right now. Why? Maybe because it's not in neutral? It's kind of hard to find neutral. Okay, so yeah. Need some juice. Need some juice is what we need. All right, that's okay. Lights. All right, battery's dead. Okay. Take two. A little bit of smoke rising up there. Did I not hook something up? Okay, let's try. All right, so new plan of attack. I think I fixed the starter. This is another problem. Not getting enough power for some reason. Don't know why. Got to figure that out. It's about attitude, though. Got to keep a positive, can-do attitude. Can I do that?